The content in YouTube Studio. If any day you are a YouTube content creator, then you may have seen the new feature of the alter content on the YouTube, and you may be quite confused on what exactly is the alter content about. So for that, you have to go to the search icon on your mobile device and then go to the option of the YouTube Studio or YT Studio. Now after you tap on the YT Studio, you have to tap on YT Studio like this, and YT Studio will be launched on your very mobile device. You can also follow the following steps on your very laptop or your PC as well. Now after that, you have to go to the option of content like this, and after you tap on content like this, now you can see the various option like this. Now if any day you have monetized your very channel on the YouTube, then you can know that the very monetization policy will give you money. However, the very feature here is the demonetization feature, that is YouTube alter content, that shows that your monetized content will be demonetized on the YouTube there. So if any day your monetized content is demonetized on the YouTube Studio there, then it will show the YouTube alter content. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.